NeoVolta launches U.S. battery storage factory in Georgia. NeoVolta is stepping deeper into U.S. manufacturing with a new battery production joint venture, shifting from system integrator to domestic manufacturer. The company has launched NeoVolta Power LLC, a joint venture anchored by a new facility in Pendergrass, Georgia, with plans to supply commercial and utility-scale energy storage systems to one of the fastest-growing clean energy markets in the world. At launch, the plant is expected to support 2 gigawatt-hours (GW-hours) of annual production capacity, with a built-in roadmap to scale up to 8 gigawatt-hours. Initial operations will focus on assembling prismatic cell battery packs and integrating direct current DC containers, with mass production targeted for mid-2026. The plant's location along the I-85 corridor places NeoVolta closer to major storage deployments, infrastructure projects, and the policy incentives driving U.S. grid modernization. This move signals a broader strategic transition for NeoVolta, aligning its operations with the long-term economics of energy storage manufacturing. Market analysts project the U.S. battery energy storage market could reach $45 billion annually by 2030, driven by rising demand across utility, commercial, and industrial applications. By focusing on these larger system segments, NeoVolta is aiming to carve out a competitive edge where scale and speed are key differentiators. JV structure offers speed, flexibility, and execution support. NeoVolta Power LLC is structured to balance execution risk and manufacturing discipline. NeoVolta maintains a 60% controlling interest, overseeing product roadmap, commercialization, and customer strategy, while the JV's financials are consolidated under U.S. GAAP. Podis Edge, holding a 20% stake, brings in technical expertise and on-the-ground experience in ramping battery system production, equipment deployment, and factory operations. The remaining 20% is held by strategic investors, contributing specialized operational input. Podis Edge's backing by LongE Green Energy, a major global solar manufacturer, adds additional manufacturing credibility as the battery sector continues to converge with solar and grid infrastructure solutions. That global linkage is intended to reinforce NeoVolta's domestic presence with international best practices in scaling production. Financing for the JV is being phased in step with key project milestones. Near-term capital comes in part from NeoVolta's $13 million private placement in late 2025, complemented by equity, debt, and financial support from Infinite Grid Capital. Future phases may include incentive monetization and project-level debt aimed at supporting scale-up without over-leveraging the parent company. As operations come online, the Georgia plant is designed to adapt to evolving market needs. While utility-scale output will lead early production, the flexible system configuration also allows for an eventual increase in commercial and industrial C&I volumes as demand patterns shift. NeoVolta's ability to localize manufacturing and retain control of the product pipeline could prove pivotal as policy, supply chain volatility, and grid resilience continue to reshape the U.S. energy storage market.